I'm done. This is it for us.
Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Tita Marga, I'm here to visit Amelie.
Alam ko ka, plastikan lang yan. Umalis ka na. Don't you dare come back. At pag bumalik ka pa, itutulak talaga kita.
May naiwan pa palang gamit si Byron sa locker.
Ihahatid lang daw ng papa mo si Marga at saka si Amelie. Babalik daw siya agad.
Si Amelie, gano'n siya katagal sa Cebu? Indefinitely. I have to go, Ma. Isa ka na naman pupunta.
Mag-ingat ka na, ka.
I really wanna go with you, but I can't leave school eh. But dadalawin kita as soon as pwede na, okay? Or pwede rin naman na bumalik ka dito ng mas maaga.
I don't know, Yana. I think I need time. I have to find myself. I don't even know where to start.
Kaya mo yan, okay?
We're going to be late. Let's go.
Let's go.
Nagpunta sa Cebu ang mga Baltazar. Kailangan magpahinga ni Amelie after everything that happened. I'm just informing you out of courtesy. At gusto ko lang ring linawin na wala siyang tinatakasan sa investigasyon. Anytime she's needed for questioning, she'll make herself available.
Pero, attorney teka lang Bakit siya magpapakamatay? Baka dahil nagigilty siya.
Inspector!
My client is innocent until proven guilty. I can just as easily accuse you na tinulak niyo siya to harm herself dahil sa pambibintang ninyo.
Tony, pasensya na. Ako nakakausap dito kay Inspector. Kirby, ikaw huwag kang basta magsalita ng kung ano-ano.
Sorry na. Feeling ko kasi siya na talaga yung killer Tapos natakasan na naman tayo.
Masosolve natin tong kaso na to. Ang kailangan lang natin ay ang means at opportunity. At makukuha natin yon. Makukuha ko yon. Hindi mo?
Where's Amelie? Where is she? If you're too late, umalis na siya.
What?
I'm sorry.
Horse Oh, yeah. Sure ka, kaya mo?
It's good to see you again, pare.
Yeah, you too, yeah.
Ay, teka lang. Pwede ka lang ba mag-physical therapy? Kaka-surgery mo lang, di ba?
Oo naman, doctor's recommendation. I have to do some exercise for faster recovery,
Okay. Well, don't worry. Meron kaming dito. Physical therapist/trainer. Teka lang. Steve! Leonard, pakitawag naman si Coach Peldon. Pakisabi may client ako para sa kanya. Thank you.
Alright. Okay. I think I know that girl.
Online harassment, the spread of sex videos on the internet.
That girl.
Si Yana?
I do not know her name. Pero ang alam ko, days before namatay si Zach, nag-away sila. Ano? I was outside the bar one night. I saw Zach fighting with someone. And it's that girl.
Zach?
Asan yung pera ko?
Sabi pa kasi yung pangbayad sa akin, but
Damn it, Yana!
I just need to make promise I will pay you back, okay? You just...
Siguraduhin mo. Hindi ko lang suot ang mababaw mo.
I must say, na-surprise ako sa ginawa ni Zach. But that girl made a threat on him.
Kasi kung sino ang mapapaon sa atin.
Do you think may kinalaman siya sa nangyari sa anak mo?
So that's all for today, and I will keep you updated for more. Bye, guys. Hi. Hi. You guys just got here?
Yeah. Tara, pagkaw tayo.
Okay.
Yana,
Tito Leonard?
nag-away daw kayo ni Zach? Nakita kayo ng kaibigan ko nag-aaway. Was it about money? Is that why you threatened him? Did you kill my son?